The origins of Kanban, Toyota's innovation.
Kanban began in the 1940s at Toyota in Japan. Toyota engineers developed it as a simple visual system to control production and inventory on the factory floor. Their goal was to boost efficiency by signaling when parts were needed, reducing waste and overproduction. The word Kanban means signboard in Japanese, reflecting its use of cards or signals to manage workflow.
Kanban principles, visualizing workflows.
At its core, Kanban is about visualizing each step in a process. Physical boards with columns and cards help teams track tasks in real time from to-do to done. This made bottlenecks easy to spot and resolve. By emphasizing continuous improvement, Kanban encouraged teams to optimize work and eliminate unnecessary steps.
From factories to software teams.
By the early 2000s, Kanban's potential caught the attention of software developers. Inspired by Toyota's approach, teams began using Kanban boards to manage software projects. Cards represented work items, while columns tracked progress through stages like development, testing, and deployment. Kanban quickly became a key tool in agile software development.
The rise of digital Kanban boards.
With the growth of remote work and digital tools, Kanban boards evolved beyond whiteboards and sticky notes. Online platforms like Trello, Jira, and Asana popularized digital Kanban, allowing teams to collaborate from anywhere. These tools offer automation, analytics, and real-time updates, making workflow management more efficient and transparent than ever.
Everyday productivity, Kanban at your desk.
Today, Kanban boards aren't just for factories or tech companies. People use them for everything from managing homework to planning daily chores. The visual approach helps individuals and teams stay focused, prioritize tasks, and achieve goals. Kanban's journey from Toyota's factory floors to desks worldwide shows the lasting power of simple visual organization.